Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, LMP TV Vlog. So ang ating video ngayon guys, andito tayo sa Bae City Plaza guys. Manonood tayo dito ngayon sa kanilang Extreme RC Race. Okay, so meron silang mga iba't ibang mga toys car, yung mga ganyan guys. So kung nakikita nyo, so ngayon pa lang nagsiset up pa lang sila guys para sa kanilang event. So maya maya titingnan natin kung anong mga kaganapan dito. Alright, so banda naman doon sa kabila, andoon ang kanilang stage. Ayan, so yung may truck dyan, may mga nakapatong, yung mga magpi-play, dahil remote lang po yung gagamitin, remote control. Dyan sila mag-ooperate sa kanilang mga cars. Alright guys, so doon naman sa pinaka-stage nila, ayan, Extreme RC Race. Yun ang pamagat ng kanilang event ngayong hapon guys. Okay, so yan ang plaza ng Bae City, at saka yun ang City Hall. Okay, so ayan, nakahanda na guys. So yung mga nakikita nyo dyan is nagpa-practice pa lang yan. Tinitestingan nila kung gumagana yung mga cars nila guys. So maya maya lamang ay mapapanood na natin.
On behalf of the Fiesta Directorate headed by Ma'am Rina Gonya, I would like to welcome everybody in the second Bae City Extreme RC Race. At this point in time, we'd like to hear a message from the Deputy Director General Fiesta Celebration 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Engineer Monica Luis Ferraren.
Good morning, everyone. Again, on behalf of the Fiesta Directorate, headed by our Director General, Ms. Rina Gunye, to our beloved Mayor, Luigi Marcel Teves Gunye, the councilors and the SK Federation President, ladies and friends, good morning. Once again, salamat kayo sa inyong pag-anhi and pagtambong sa amoang RC Race. So, last year we had a show to showcase lang og nga naatay existing RC Race, and this year this is the first time nga it is legit in the terms, no, kay motoy among first time nga maka-host and maka-welcome sa atong friends nga RC racers. And thank you kayo for coming. I believe we have participants from Cebu, Zamboanguita, Tanhay, Shaton, Dumaguete, and we also have representatives of our own from Bae City. Once again, good morning everyone, and let the race begin. Thank you. At this point in time, may we announce the flow of the game and the guidelines for this race. First category, we have the Monster Electric. Second, electric buggy. Third, short course. Fourth, nitro truggy. And last but not the least, the nitro buggy. For qualifying race of the electric, we have 10 minutes. And for the nitro, we have 7 minutes qualifying time. And now, we will start the first category. We have the Monster Buggy. And also, we have players from Bayoan City. Thank you very much for coming and for joining our race.
Try ko agi inyong quadri mo detect ba? Pareho ko atong night transponder. Balik. Ayaw mo kuan.
Kindly place those monster trucks with no transponder here in front of the starting line.
Sir, number 1, Griff Lanis. Monster number 2, we have Sir Paul. Monster number 3, we have Sir Winston. Monster number 4, we have Mr. Dave. Number 5, we have Dennis Pino. Number 6, we have Lindo Pino. And number 7, Ricabo Francis. Alright, are we ready? Okay, ready!
Here to race. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fastest lap by Rich, 33.53 seconds.
Kusog mo ng green, sige lang kabalik dong. Green.
Fastest lap by Rich, 31.69 seconds. Fastest lap by Dennis, 31.37 seconds. Fastest lap by Rich, 30.41 seconds.
Traffic na dia. Sabot ni Kapitay. May bring go. Hilux oh. Fastest lap by Rich, 28.31 seconds. One minute remaining. Number 1 ni puti.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time limit reached. Complete your final lap.
For our next category, the short course, kindly prepare your RCs. Thank you very much. Players ready?
Here to race.
Prepare.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We have 7 players. First, Brett Lamis, Ronron Ebura, Dindo Pino, Dennis Pino,
Fastest
Ayan
lap by Francis 25.46 seconds.
Francis, and our youngest player, we have Vin Jason. We have our leading player, Mr. Francis Villanueva.
Fastest lap by Francis 23.71 seconds.
And now on the lead is Ayan.
Fastest lap by Francis 2 minutes remaining. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time limit reached. Complete your final lap. Rich takes second place.
I believe this category is muna siya yung pinakadaghan nga category so far. Players ready? Marshals ready? Prepare to race.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lap by John 26.04 seconds. Fastest lap by Nick 26.7 seconds. Fastest lap by Nick 21.6 seconds.